In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived emails in Gmail. If you have ever archived an email and wondered where it went or how to find it again, you're not alone. Gmail's archiving feature can be a little confusing, but it's actually a very handy tool once you get the hang of it. So let's dive in and demystify the process a bit. First, let's clarify what archiving an email means. When you archive an email in Gmail, it's not deleted. Instead, it's moved out of your inbox to help declutter, but it still exists in your account and can be accessed later. All archived emails are moved to the All Mail label. This is essentially a storage place where all of your emails, incoming, outgoing, and archived, are housed together. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing in mail.google.com in the address bar. Please log into your Gmail account with your credentials. Once you're in your Gmail, you'll be taken automatically to your inbox. In your inbox, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a menu listing different sections like Inbox, Sent Mail, Drafts, and so on. To find your archived emails, you need to click on More to expand this menu. If it looks like there isn't much there at first, don't worry. Clicking More reveals additional folders. Once you've clicked on More, scroll down and you'll see All Mail. Go ahead and click on that. The All Mail section includes all your emails, those in your inbox, as well as the ones you've archived. To check if a specific email is archived, look for the Inbox label beside the email title. Archived emails won't have this label. It's important to note that even archived emails can appear in your inbox if they're part of a conversation that receives a reply. This is a helpful feature if you're tracking ongoing conversations. If you're searching for a specific archived email, another option is using the search bar at the top of your Gmail. Type in keywords related to the email you are looking for, like the sender's name or the subject. This can help you quickly locate archived emails without manually sifting through your messages. In summary, archiving emails is more about organization than deletion. By following these steps, you'll easily be able to view any emails you've archived, keeping you more organized and less stressed over finding lost messages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes using Gmail a little bit easier for you.